Very cool. It was 600 yen. You gotta take your shoes off. But this is awesome. Completely worth it. Look, there's Natsumi all the way down there. Okay, so we're actually on top of that aqueduct that you just saw. It's a functioning aqueduct. Very, very cool to find something like that here in Kyoto. So that garden called the Hojo Garden is it's 600 yen per person, but very beautiful, very zen, very quiet. I enjoyed that a lot. How about you?
It was quite beautiful. Very excited about this. I'm hungry, so.
Let's try this curry rice. It's very good. Very good.
Hit the spot, for sure. It was very good.
Were the ratings correct?
Oh yeah, totally, yeah. Off to Eikando. All right, so we just came out from inside of the main temple area, and that was pretty interesting. I mean, a lot of the things they don't want you to take pictures or videos of, which is understandable because it's a sacred area, a sacred place, but it was just like curved staircases and stairs that almost went to nowhere, but then it was another level, and it was pretty wild. So I thought it was And there was
interesting.
an elevator too.
Yes, they had an elevator and bathrooms. So that was pretty wild. So we're going to continue to walk around and see what else is on these grounds. All right, everybody, so that was
Eikando and Nanzenji.
So I hope you guys enjoyed it. We're going to go ahead and end the video here. If you did enjoy it, please leave a like and a comment, and we'll see you guys in the next video.